Last time we were here, there's not much snow. They just had a California snowstorm. We had to put chains on one of the cars, and right now we're just driving up to Dodge Ridge. So we had to put chain on the Expedition. We're doing okay right now.
There's lots and lots of snow.
A lot of snow. Chains are required. Also, there's no signal here, so you might want to bring a radio. It's about 9 in the morning, and looks like there's a lot of people already. How's Rian and Kaden back there?
Good.
Okay. And yep, 9 o'clock. A lot of people getting stuck. So bring you guys this change, okay?
Oh no!
We got
look
people
at that.
stuck right up there. Oh man, do they have chains?
Oh,
No chains.
no chains.
But good thing we got change.
Yeah, look at that. They're pushing their cars.
Sorry guys.
Oh,
They're gonna slip. It's a Subaru too. Oh, here we are guys. Dodge Ridge is open. Paid parking only. Okay.
paid parking only, so we can park right here. We got the VIP parking. Here we go. Paid parking only. Ooh, this snow looks nice. Look at that.
Dodge Ridge in the morning. Pretty packed on a Saturday. Here we go. We purchased the ticket online. If you don't, well, you're gonna have to park somewhere all the way out there. And I would just recommend purchasing it for $40. It saves you a lot of time and a lot of walking. Snowboard again?
Yeah.
All right. Remember before? You can see it through here.
Yeah.
Now you can't. You gotta go all like that up there. How's it looking? What? Fresh snow. Look at that. Good job. You guys.
Hi.
Lunchtime.
Admit that you
No. Oh no.
No way.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
At least they allow it though. That's a good thing. All right. You guys ready?
Go ahead.
Go!
Okay then.
Good job, Kaden.
Yes.
Go on, run.
Can you see?
I see that one.
Very good.